Hello guys, I'm Mary Orlan, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook sea bass guys, but I'm going to seasoning first before I fry. I'm going to add half teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon beef flavor, and half teaspoon sesame oil. I'm going to mix it well. And right now I'm going to fry the sea bass guys. I'm going to put some oil. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to fry it right now. Going to flip it all of them. Do it a little bit guys. Going to flip it one more time. Okay, it's cooked already guys. So I'm going to take off all of them. I fry all of them guys. And right now I'm going to making sauce for sea bass guys. I'm going to add red jalapeno. I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add 1 pieces of garlic, 1 pieces of hazelnut, add some ginger, and add some red onions. I'm going to blend it. Okay, it's good now. So right now I'm going to saute all the spices guys. I'm going to add some oil. Ouch, my hands. Sorry guys, hold on. Right now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of beef flavor, half teaspoon sugar, and half teaspoon sesame oil. I'm going to add water guys. Add like half cup of water. I'm going to add some green onion. And right now I'm going to put all the sea bass on the sauce guys. I'm going to add some tomatoes. Okay guys, all done. I'm going to put all of them on the plate. Right now it's time to eat guys. I'm going to eat with the rice. Let me take 1 pieces first for right now. Let me try first. Tastes so delicious guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I want to say thank you so much guys for your sub. I appreciate that. God bless all of you. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.